Your introduction is first impression. Many people know basic English, but when someone says, "Tell me about yourself," they become nervous. But don't worry, today I will teach you how to give a confident self introduction easily. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Speak with Indu. In this video, you will learn how to introduce yourself confidently in English. Let me tell you a simple story. A student named Ravi went for an interview. He had prepared many answers, but suddenly the interviewer asked, "Tell me about yourself." Ravi became nervous. He forgot simple sentences. Why did this happen? Because he never practiced self introduction. Self introduction is useful for everywhere, in school, in colleges, in interviews, in public speaking, even while making new friends. Confident introduction creates a good impression. Now let's learn simple structure. Start with greeting. For example, "Hello everyone, good morning." Then tell your name, full name. आपको अपना पूरा नाम बताना है. For example, my name is Indu Kumari. Tell your city or state name. Where are you from? यहाँ आपको बताना है जहाँ आप जन्म लिए हैं. जहाँ आप रह रहे हैं वो नहीं, जहाँ आपका जन्म हुआ है वो प्लेस आपको बताना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, I am from Patna, Bihar. I belong to Patna. आप ये भी बोल सकते हैं I belong to Patna, Bihar. आप ये भी बोल सकते हैं I hail from Patna, Bihar, but currently I am living in Delhi. आपका जन्म पटना बिहार में हुआ और आप अभी करेंटली दिल्ली में रह रहे हैं, तो आप ये बोल सकते हैं I hail from Patna, Bihar and I am currently living in Delhi. Now tell your personality. अब आप अपने व्यक्तित्व के बारे में बताइए. आपका व्यक्तित्व कैसा है? For example, I am a creative and hard-working person. I am a goal-oriented person. Talk about your study. For example, I am a college student. मैं कॉलेज स्टूडेंट हूँ. नाउ टेल योर इंटरेस्ट्स. अब आप अपना इंटरेस्ट्स बताइए, आप अपना हॉबीज़ बताइए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई एन्जॉय लर्निंग इंग्लिश एंड रीडिंग बुक्स. फाइनली टॉक अबाउट योर गोल. आपका गोल क्या है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, माई गोल इज टू बिकम अ कॉन्फिडेंट इंग्लिश स्पीकर. Now let's see a full example. Hello everyone, my name is Indu. I am from Patna, Bihar. I am a college student. I am a creative and hard-working person. I enjoy learning English and improving my communication skills. My goal is to become a confident speaker and help others learn English. That's all about me. Thank you. Now let's talk about mistakes. First mistake is speaking too fast. बहुत जल्दी जल्दी बोलना. Second mistake, no confidence. बिना कॉन्फिडेंस के बोलना. आप जब प्रैक्टिस नहीं करते हो तो आप कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं होते हो और फिर आप कॉन्फिडेंटली नहीं बोल पाते हो. इसीलिए प्रैक्टिस करो. डू प्रैक्टिस एवरी डे. थर्ड मिस्टेक इज मेमोराइजिंग लाइक अ रोबोट. जैसे आप रोबोट की तरह याद कर लिए, रट लिए और बस रट के बोल रहे हो. नहीं, यहाँ पे आपको अपना कुछ ऐड करना है. फोर्थ मिस्टेक इज नो स्माइल. बिना स्माइल के आप ऐसे ही बोल रहे हो. स्पीक स्लोली and naturally. Practice in front of a mirror. Start practicing every day in front of a mirror. Record your voice. Start recording your voice and start listening and improve from your mistakes. Start practicing your introduction daily. The more you practice, the more confident you become. Don't fear mistakes. Don't afraid of making mistakes. Every fluent speaker started as a beginner. They also made a lot of mistakes, but they didn't stop. They improved from their mistakes. Confidence comes from practice. Remember, a good self introduction can create a strong first impression. Write in the comment section, I can introduce myself confidently. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you really like these videos, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment for more videos. If you have any suggestion, any ideas, any topic related to our channel, related to English, then write in the comment section. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep improving. Thank you so much.